Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the Ace Money Transfer app step by step. First, download the app or visit the Ace Money Transfer website. Once it's open, sign up using your email or a social login. After logging in, tap Send Money on the home screen. Select the country you're sending to and enter the amount. Then choose your delivery method. This can be bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile wallet. Next, go to the Recipients tab, tap the plus icon, and enter your recipient's details like name, phone number, and relationship. Now, add your payment method. Just tap Add Card and enter your card details. Finally, review your transaction summary and fees, then tap Send. You'll get a reference number to track your transfer anytime in the app or website. And that's it. That's how to use the Ace Money Transfer app. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.